All right, let's take a start. Speaking part one. I'm going to ask you some questions. Do you have many friends?
Yes, yes, I have many friends.
All right.
Yes, I have many friends. My college friends, school friends. I have spent a lot of time with my friends.
I spend a lot of
I,
time with my
I,
friends.
I have spent a lot of time with my friends and I enjoyed their company a lot.
All right, so to answer your question,
So
I
that's,
have many
I,
friends. Right. How often do you talk to your friends?
uh, generally, I talk to my friends at night after the routine of my life. I talk to them
On social
on
media, on
social media,
WhatsApp?
on WhatsApp. I usually talk to them when I am in trouble or something I don't understand. I talk to my friends
Okay.
during my free
All
time.
right. Okay. How do you communicate with your friends?
I can communicate with my friend during social media, through
Not during, by social
by
media,
social media, by phone, by uh, com- by meet
by meeting
by
them face
meeting
to
by
face.
meeting them.
Okay. All right. So just try to add some more and try to categorize each thing and then speak one complete
One
sentence.
complete
Yes. Let's go on. Uh, okay. How do people make friends these days?
How do people make friends these? People make friends these days through universities,
Yeah.
through work platforms.
Mm.
People make friends through social media.
Right.
So the answer is
Yeah, so people
you
make
make
friends in a
friends
number
through
of
number
different
of
ways,
different
but
ways.
mainly it's the social media which provides a platform to the
Platform
people to make
to
friends.
make friends.
All right, thank you. You need to work very hard with your speaking and practice all these topics. Let's go on. Advertisement. Are there many advertisements in your country?
Yes, there is a lot of
There are. Please.
yes, there are a lot of advertisement in my country. Nowadays, people use different
Platforms.
platforms for the advertisement. I used to see a lot of advertisement while I was surfing a Facebook. I see a lot of
Okay, I used
advertisement.
to see is wrong. I see
I see.
many ads when I'm surfing a Facebook. So to
Okay.
answer your question, there are many. There is a loads. There are, or there is a loads of advertisements everywhere.
Okay.
Right. One sentence conclusion is compulsory. Why do you think there are so many advertisements now?
Because there is a lot of competition in a market, so every company wants to introduce their product to in each house. So that's why they are spending more money on the advertisement. So to answer your question, that is necessary in every company that to advertise them as much as possible.
Okay. What are the various places where we can see advertisements?
There is a many ways we can see advertisement on a newspaper, on a TV channels, or on a social apps. So we can, if we want to advertise anything, we have a lot of options. So to answer your question, there's many options. We have
There are
platforms.
many options that we can see. Okay. How do you feel about advertisements?
Advertisement is very useful if you need any services or any kind of information regarding any product. So you can get very good information through the advertisement. So in future, you can, if you want any product or anything, you can choose it from the advertisement which you see.
All right. So you should focus your fluency,
Okay.
right, and connectivity of ideas. How you connect certain ideas. Sometimes you get stuck. You take pauses. So just need to focus connectivity of ideas.
Would be the first preference for the companies. So without advertisement, if you are running any business without advertisement, you can not get any profitable sale.
All right.
So advertisement is very important
Yeah,
in
they're
the
very
business. To answer
important.
your
They are
question,
crucial and all that. Don't say at the end of every answer to answer your question. It'll be negative.
Okay.
You should have a variety to answer
In
your
response to your
question, in
question.
response to your question, as you have asked me,
Mm.
according to my opinion.
Mm.
So there should be a variety, right?
Okay.
All right, thank you.